Backpacking through Europe is one of the most rewarding travel experiences you can have. It offers a unique blend of history, culture, stunning landscapes, and diverse cuisines, all while allowing you to travel on a budget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, backpacking through Europe is an adventure that promises unforgettable memories. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to plan and enjoy the ultimate backpacking journey across Europe. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. 1. Planning your route and itinerary. The first step in your backpacking adventure is planning your route and itinerary. Europe offers so many destinations that it can be overwhelming, but narrowing down your must-visit cities and regions is key. Consider starting in the major cities like Paris, Berlin, and Barcelona, then branch out to lesser-known spots like the Swiss Alps or the coastal towns of Croatia. Use a mix of popular and off-the-beaten-path destinations to get the full European experience. Allow for flexibility in your schedule, as backpacking is all about exploration. Don't forget to research the best transport options to move between cities efficiently. 2. Packing light and smart. When backpacking through Europe, packing light is essential. You'll be carrying everything on your back, so it's crucial to only bring what you need. Start by investing in a quality backpack with comfortable straps and plenty of space. Pack versatile clothes that can be mixed and matched and are appropriate for varying climates. Avoid overpacking, as you'll want to have space for souvenirs. Essential items include a travel pillow, reusable water bottle, portable charger, and a good pair of shoes for walking. Keep in mind that you can buy essentials along the way, so don't stress about having everything packed perfectly. 3. Budgeting and saving money. Backpacking through Europe doesn't have to break the bank, but it's important to have a clear budget. Start by researching average costs for accommodations, meals, transportation, and activities in the cities you plan to visit. To save money, stay in hostels. Use budget airlines like Ryanair and EasyJet, and travel by train or bus. Consider getting a Eurail pass for train travel, which can be a cost-effective way to cover multiple destinations. Street food, local markets, and cooking your own meals can help stretch your budget. Keep track of your spending with apps to avoid overspending. 4. Finding affordable accommodation. Finding affordable accommodation is one of the biggest challenges when backpacking through Europe. Fortunately, Europe is filled with budget-friendly options. Hostels are the go-to choice for backpackers, offering dormitory-style rooms where you can meet fellow travelers. Websites like Hostelworld and Booking.com can help you find the best deals. Another great option is couchsurfing, where locals offer you a place to stay for free, allowing you to experience the culture from the inside. Airbnb can also offer cheaper, homier options than hotels. Just be sure to book in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. 5. Navigating transportation in Europe. Europe has an excellent transportation system that makes it easy to get from one city to another. Trains are one of the best ways to travel, offering scenic routes and comfortable rides. Eurail passes are perfect for long-distance travel, providing unlimited train rides for a set number of days. If you're traveling between countries, budget airlines like Ryanair and EasyJet offer low-cost flights that are often quicker than trains. For shorter distances, buses and metro systems in cities are inexpensive and efficient. Always compare prices and book tickets in advance to get the best deals. 6. Embracing the European culture and history. One of the most enriching parts of backpacking through Europe is experiencing the diverse cultures and histories. Each country has its own unique traditions, languages, and culinary delights. Take time to visit museums, historical landmarks, and ancient ruins. Cities like Rome and Athens offer some of the best preserved historical sites in the world. Don't miss the opportunity to visit local markets and festivals, where you can learn more about the local customs and try authentic food. Immerse yourself in the culture by interacting with locals and embracing new experiences. Backpacking through Europe is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that offers a mix of adventure, culture, and unforgettable memories. With proper planning, budgeting, and an open mind, you can make the most of your journey. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, enjoying delicious food, or meeting new friends, backpacking will allow you to experience Europe in a way few others do. Start planning your adventure today and get ready to create lasting memories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels!